we have with us Mr. Animesh Bhatt, a very enthusiastic and a very keen member of the media industry, and he knows about the basics of the media industry, which include mass media and journalism.
So you said that you preferred the very ancient, I would call it ancient, now the ancient method of teaching. And many people believe like after the invasions that happened in India, the British and the Europeans, they believe that is the reason why that method went out the window and rote learning came in. So do you think that the invasions played a part in the nature of the education system right now?
Absolutely, yes. And I'm not judging it to be good or bad. Whether the invaders were right or wrong, they did what they thought was right. They tried to take care of their country and their economy. So God bless them. Nothing wrong with it. We couldn't protect ourselves and defend ourselves. Too bad for it. But I feel that one way to destroy a country is by destroying their education system. And I think we had a very good education system of teaching people or helping people learn how to live a good, happy life. And I'm not saying the current education is not valuable, but I think the previous methods of educating people on how to live good life was way more valuable. See, look at this COVID situation when you and I and all of us were at home for 60, 70 days. We've not done any shopping. We've not really gone out to eat. We've done the jharu pota and the bartan all by ourselves.
I just
We've
did
made
the
our own
utensils before the
tea.
call.
Yeah, so we made our own tea, and we helped to cook, and we realized that yes, our AC electricity bills went up a little bit, but other than that, our expenses have really come down. We've spent so much good quality time with our family, and we realized that it's not too difficult to just live and to live a good life. I mean, I for 60 days I didn't put any fill up my petrol in my car, or I mean,
You would have
whatever.
saved
I
a lot
mean,
of cash over there then.
otherwise, I mean, every other week we go out and we buy, or we just sitting like that doing nothing, Amazon or Flipkart or something, and we buy something. We don't need to buy so much. It's consumerism is a little too much in my opinion. I think we need to settle down, take off the foot from the pedal, the accelerator, and 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 chill and relax. Slow down. I think we need to learn to slow down.
Makes sense, sir.
When you're talking about passion and following the passion, it all implies work, it all implies wealth, it all implies money. Work is important, wealth is important, money is important. It's not as important as we all make it out to be.
Makes sense.
Family is important, friends is important, relatives are important, neighbors are important. To have a lot of people to love is important. To have a lot of people love you is important. I think we shouldn't sacrifice that just because of the crazy imagination of or passion of making a lot of money and wealth and forgetting everything. No, I think that would be very sad. I don't think humans were made with the purpose of making a lot of money. I don't think our purpose in life is to just follow our passion to make a lot of money. No, I don't think so.